We are the People's Channel.
Just one reggae girl. Just one reggae girl. Don't stop. Just one reggae girl. Through all adversity, me see you won't stop.
Greetings, football from Yard Massive. The Reggae Girls gave it their best shot, but fell to a superior England team 7-0. Coach Hubert Busby, short of a number of his veteran players, had a team mixed with seasoned professionals and some newer prospects. Laia Brooks got the start in goal, while Alison and Chantel Swaby marshaled the center of the defense. Veteran utility player Tiffany Cameron was at right back, and Mimi Van Zanten, the Florida State University standout, got the start on the left. Naima Ingleton and Atlanta Primus occupied the engine of the midfield, while Cameron Simmons and Kiki Van Zanten were on the left and right wings respectively. Seasoned forward, Kayla McKenna and youngster Sade Adamoleken were on the front line. The team looked very organized in their 4-4-2 formation, but probably should have sacrificed one of the forwards in order to increase their numbers in the middle of the park. The defenders fought hard and were under relentless pressure. They probably could have taken a fraction of the pressure off themselves with slightly better passing. The midfielders were good in spurts, but weren't as mobile as the English players, who not only ran hard, but were tactically more fluid. The forwards were largely starved of service and weren't able to cause much danger. Unfortunately for McKenna, she had a goal taken back due to a VAR ruling. While there were numerous opportunities for improvement, the games presented a few positives as well. In particular, Mimi Van Zanten. She is not the finished article, but looks like she has the ability to lock down a wing-back spot for the country for a long time to come. There is no doubt she will have professional options when her career at Florida State University concludes. At the end of the day, there are levels to this. The Jamaican team, when at full strength, will continue to be a power in CONCACAF, and a couple of the players have shown they can help the team going forward.